Hey guys, Upward Ninja here, coming to you with a quick tutorial here. It's something necessary for survival, so I thought I'd teach it to you just in case you're having a little bit of trouble with it. And as you can see by the title, that is how to drink water. So first you're going to get something with water in it. It can be a glass, it can be, as you can see, I have a bottle here. If you're really desperate, you might have to go to like a lake or a stream or somewhere out in nature. But I'm assuming that you have access to bottled water or running water. Maybe you could put your mouth under a faucet. Don't want to get a little bit ahead of you here, so I'm just going to assume, like I said, you have some container with water in it. And first you're going to put whatever the container is up to your mouth, rest it on your bottom lip, kind of raise it up a little bit, like raise the bottle, not your head. And then allow the water to flow in your throat and kind of relax your throat so the water kind of goes into your stomach, hydrates your body, and you're done. So here's just a quick demo, just in case you need help with that. And some people like to hold the water in their mouth and swallow it. Some people allow it just to flow. It's personal preference, so you can just kind of figure that out. But once again, another demo here. And as you can see, I like to hold it, then swallow it, so I have complete control. If you want to just let it flow in your mouth, that's like the more difficult way. Sometimes you might choke on the water. It might, as they call it, go down the wrong way. If that happens, just cough a few times, and typically it'll clear your throat out. If you die, it happens. But Upward Ninja signing out. Water tutorial done.